Next, we're going to make our Tex Mex meatloaf. We're going to start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Put this in our bowl here. We have 2 eggs. One slice of bread that we will just pinch off into little cubes. And we have a can of diced tomatoes with green chili peppers in it. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. Tablespoon of black pepper. And then a teaspoon or just a little dash of salt. Then we're going to stir this all up in our bowl. We'll put it into our pan that we can then put into the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Should preheat it too. And after an hour you should have a nice finished Tex-Mex meatloaf. Get this in our pan nicely. Spread it nice and evenly. Then we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. You can either add a little bit of ketchup or cheese to the top before you put it in the oven. And after an hour you should have a finished meatloaf.